to sell digital tarot or oracle card decks on Etsy. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can sell your own products using this platform. So let's get started by clicking on the shop manager button in your top right. Then you proceed to creating or setting up your Etsy shop. So here, as you can see, we have 6 steps to go through to set up our Etsy shop. So I'm just going to wait for it to load up. Then I'm going to start from the first step, which is the shop preferences. So here in the shop preferences, you choose the shop's language, the shop's country, and the shop's currency. So for my currency, I'm going to change it from the Moroccan dirham to the United States dollar. Then click on save and continue. After that, you choose the name of your shop. So it doesn't matter what name you give it now. You can always change the name later. So here I'm just going to use my nation's name as my shop's name. Then I'm going to try to shorten it to less than 20 characters. Remove the spaces. Then let's see what else we can remove. Let's remove digital, and this name is available. Then click on save and continue. Then you proceed to the third step, which is adding some photos and details about your item. So here you fill out what you can for now. You'll be able to edit this later. So here the first step of filling out or adding out your details is the photos. So here first thing to do is click on save and continue to see the required fields to fill. So here the first one is photos. As you can see in here, you need to upload at least one photo. Then we have the inventory, and here in the inventory the required field to fill is the price field. Then we have the listing details, and here we have a lot of fields to fill. Then we have the shipping, and also here we have a lot of things to fill as well. So let's start with photos. So here, if you don't fill these 4, you won't be able to proceed to the next step. So make sure to fill them, then click on save and continue to proceed to the next step. So you start with photos. As you can see in here, please upload at least one photo. So here add as many as you can so buyers can see every detail. Photos, use up to 10 photos to show your item's most important qualities. And for some tips, use natural light and no flash. Include a common object for scale. Show the item being held, worn, or used. Shoot against a clean, simple background. Add photos to your variations so buyers can see all their options. Then we have the video, and in the video it's optional, it's not required. As you can see in here, we have no video in these 4. So here, if you have a video, you can upload it. If not, it's not that important. So bring your product to life with a 5 to 15 second video. It could help you drive more sales. The video won't feature sound, so let your product do the talking. And for some quick tips, film wearable items on a model or show a functional item being used. Adjust your settings to record high resolution video. Aim for 1080 pixels or higher. Crop your video after you upload it to get the right dimensions. And if you want to learn how to make videos that sell, you can just click on this link. Then we have the listing details. Tell the world about your item and why they love it. So here we start with the title. So you type a title for your product. Include keywords that buyers would use to search for your item. Then about this listing, you have 3 answers to go, three questions to go through. We start with who made it, and we have here 3 answers to choose from. Let's go with I did. Then what is it? A finished product or a supply or tool to make things. Let's go with the finished product. Then when did you make it? We have here 3 categories to choose from: not yet made, recently, or vintage. Let's go with recently, and between 2020 and 2023. Then we have the category. Type a 2 or 3 word description of your item to get category suggestions. That will help more shoppers find it. So here, type some keywords to find your category. So I'm going to choose the first one. Then here we have a lot of additional details to fill, starting with the primary color of your product. You can choose the color of your product in here. The secondary color, the occasion, you can choose an occasion in these ones. So here you can find a lot of occasions, as you can see. Then we have the renewal options, if you want to choose an automatic renewal or a manual one. So the difference between them is the first one is for 20 cents each time, and the second one is free. So let's choose the free one for now, if you are on a low budget. Then for the type, you can choose, you can't really choose, it's depending on your product, if it's a physical product or a digital product. So I'm going to go with the digital product. Then you have the description. So for your product description, start with a brief overview that describes your item's finest features. Shoppers will only see the first few lines of your description at first, so make it count. Not sure what else to say? Shoppers also like hearing about your process and the story behind this item, so make sure to write a good description for your product. Then we have the production partners, if you have any, and these optional details also to fill. Then we have the inventory and pricing, so make sure to write a good price for your product. Keep in mind the fees, the charges, the profits, and all of that, and make sure to give it a fair price for you and for your clients. Then you type the quantity that you have in that product, and then here you upload your file, because we said before it's a digital product. You click in here, upload at least 1 file, or add up to 5 more files. Then we have the returns and exchanges, which is non-existing for the digital products. So that's it, guys, for today's video. And when you're done with filling all of these details, you click on save and continue to proceed to the next step. So don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section down below.